cleaning the carpet out the front here, getting ready to, at least getting it ready to put that floor pan on that side, and ripped all the old carpet out. See, the carpet gotten wet over here, didn't do the floor any good over here. But I was looking around under the seat, reaching underneath there, pulling stuff out, and I seen something under here that I didn't want to touch. We can get him out of here. Out there. I think he's seen better days. Little mummified mouse. Well, guess what, buddy? You gotta leave. We don't want you in here. Looks like an evil little creature. At least he's dead. Your last ride, buddy. This is your home for a while, but not no more. Nasty. Oh, that's nasty. I figured better have a funeral for him. Say a few last words. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Get the fuck out of my car, because all you do is cause rust. Burn in hell. Been doing some more work to the Impala. Interior work. Rust repair interior work. Started to weld in the floor pan on the driver's side. And the floorboard's a little too rotten up in there. At least higher than the patch panel comes. We have some new sheet metal welding there, but it might be on the thick side. Still need to install these bolts up in there for the gas pedal. Your foot ain't falling out the floor and hitting the shifter rod. It's right there. Actually comes down and runs across the tranny, but your heel would hit it before when you're shifting gears. And also, walk around the other side. There's the seat out of it. The sway bar needs to go on still. We got some work underneath to do yet. But this side is pretty rotten too, so I decided to buy another floor pan and put on this side, and it's even rusty up in here in the toe board. Because it's double layered there, as you can see over there. Probably not the greatest, the light ain't the greatest, but you can see it's double layered there, and that's why it rotted out. Let's get that in. Plan was to stick some pour 15 on it, because the backs are in really good condition. Need to get that insulation crud off there. And once the floor is pour 15, it should be done inside. Hopefully we'll get this project finished up here sometime. Well, we got back on the Impala project again. It's been a little while since it didn't work to it, but a bunch of other stuff going on. We did get the floor patched. We got some pour 15 on the floor. Turned out pretty good. The only problem is we got water leaking inside. I believe the windshield's leaking. But it is broke anyway, so I assume the owner wants to put a new windshield in it. Got like a rock chip there, and I believe it's cracked over on the other side. Yep, she's broke over here. I'm pretty sure the windshield's leaking up here. And it's running right down on the floor. Because before we installed the floor, it was getting wet, which is probably the reason why the floor rotted out in the first place, because the carpet was in there. There's ice leaking on this side. There's a heck of a puddle of water in there. But the next major thing you need to do to it is pull it inside and put the exhaust back on it. Got the Impala inside on the lift and managed to get the exhaust installed back on it. As you can see the tips on it. One there, one there. Got the sway bar on it. And I went to hook up the lock-up torque converter and wired it on a switch here. And I went to test it and it doesn't work. There's no reason why it shouldn't be working. The only conclusion I came to is the solenoid is bad for the lockup. So yes, now I need to raise it up, pull the pan off. See if I can figure out why it don't work. And also I'll lift it up and show you the exhaust and the sway bar on it. Alright, got her up in there. And you can see the exhaust. I had to cut it there to get this all out of here when we did the rear end and the transmission and all that good stuff. Now you can see the sway bars on. I had to put these big old spacers in here that the owner made on each side, because the sway bar is designed more to go with the stock trailing arms, and since these are aftermarket, they do not work the same. So that's on for good. The exhaust is on for good. Just had to redo it up here. All I did was put this piece in here. And on this side I had to put a piece in there too, but a way longer piece because it curved over and it hit the pan here. And now I'm going to take the damn pan back off because the lockup's not working. So I guess that's what I gotta do here real quick. I sure as hell hope it ain't that O-ring up inside there, which I don't know why it would be. Or there's something messed up in the converter, but it's a branded converter and you wouldn't think it'd be messed up either. So, unless there's something wrong with the wiring inside. It's not giving it a full good 12 volts to get the solenoid to work. But take that off. Drain all the oil out and make an oil mess again, which I hate doing. Hate doing stuff twice. Actually, it'll be the second time I had that pan off. Last time I had to fix the valve body. I'll get that taken care of here, and I guess if I get it fixed, I'll show you some more and be happy. Maybe we'll go for a drive, and if I don't get it fixed, I'm not going to be too happy. Because we're just about done with this. The Impala's going home today. I finished her up here so the owner can take it. And the last thing you need to do is put the carpet in and then set the seat back in, but I'm tapping the holes in the floor for the seat bolts and the seat belts because that 415 gets in it and you'll screw the threads up or lock solid. So just need to do the seat belts. I already did the seat bolts, which are here. That's one of the seat bolts. Seat belt bolts. Get back here. Sit up there, goddammit. Anyways, need to tap the holes out for those, and then we'll be ready to put the carpet in. And hopefully, somebody will show up so I can set the seat in. I'm thinking I might have to take these off to get the carpet to lay down, because I don't know if it's cut out for it. They haven't had the carpet out of the box yet. So I'm glad to put the gas pedal on. There's two little peggy peckers sticking out. There's the gas pedal. Anyways, I'm going to get that tapped out and then try to lay the carpet in and see what happens. See what it looks like. Alright, finally got the goddamn carpet in. Took a while to get it in there, but it's in there. I don't know if it's perfect or not, but I need to trim the crap out of it all along the sides and up underneath the dash. Also the back's in. Had to take the lower seat out, take these panels off so you can trim it back in there. At least it's in there, and it should be all we have to do to it. The owner's got the steel plates to put down here. And the gas pedal's back in. It should be good to go. Load all this junk back in his car that was in there. Here's the old steel plates, it ain't much good. Of course, that kind of needs stretched, and the steel plate should cover all that. What a pain in the ass, still a little crooked there. And get out of here, cat. 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 You know, he's checking out new stuff. I'll come in and get the new carpet dirty. Yeah, get a steel plate on and pretty much be done. That's probably the last time you see the Impala. Until maybe, because when I was working on the locket part, the solenoid didn't fix it. So might be the converter, who knows. The only thing I think it is. One last look at it before it goes down the road. First part is stick all that new carpet in, then you need to do the rest of the interior. I think you bought a headliner. Anyways, that should do it for the Impala. Bye bye.